Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a device which is really close to me. So this is Nokia 6300, and around 2011 I was using this device and I lost the device. But now as I saw this device, I just bought it as it is a nostalgic factor for me. And my father also used to have this device and I got my device from my father. So he was using this device around 2008 to 2010 and I got it in 2011. And I lost my device around 2012 maybe. Then I did not buy another one. So recently I bought two of them for $2 and both of them are working perfectly fine. So I got this device as a dead device, but those device I found without battery. So when I put battery, these devices are running perfectly fine. And this is the one of them's better condition. I bought two of them. I thought if I can make put parts from the both of them and I can combine one, but both of them are working perfectly fine. So I did not do anything to this device. So the build device, this is really great phone. And recently Nokia has released a 4G device looking like 6300 4G. I don't really like the design because this one is a really classic device and you can feel that like it's made out of stainless steel and plastic. So the back panel is stainless steel and the frame also stainless steel. So and it has like, this is really in Nokia S40 devices you will not have like the volume up down buttons mostly, but some of them has. But this one also got like volume up down button, and here is the power button on top, and we have like notification LED on both sides. Here we got our barrel jack for Nokia for charging purpose, and also we got 2.5mm earphone jack. This is not 3.5mm. So when I was using, actually I didn't have like 2.5mm earphones, so I could not able to use. But I used to have it on 2008. That time I was not using that and then I lost it. And we also got mini USB, not micro USB. This is a mini USB, which is not really common for this time, but around 2007 2008 this was really common at the time. So what can you do with this device if you get this one? So I don't really recommend anyone to buy this kind of device because it is really close to me. That's why I bought it. It has a nostalgic factor for me. And I did not do much with this device. I did not put any custom firmware on this device because I'm not going to do anything with this device right now. But I did download some of the games I used to play on this device. So because this has no Wi-Fi, I cannot download games and apps directly from this device. But I can put my SIM card and download like using internet, and this device does not come with any Wi-Fi, so you are stuck with the SIM card like 2G network. So 2G network is still working in my area. Maybe in some of the areas you cannot use this device because in European countries maybe 2G and 3G already shut it down, so you cannot use. But in my area I can use this device, and I have tried calling and messaging, so it is still working just fine. So as you can see, I have installed some games, and these are few of my favorite games here. And I really like Bouncy Tales, and I have played this game. Most probably all of my device has this game. And another game is like Tower Blocks. Even I have installed this game on my Windows phone. I really play these games, and I was playing these games on this phone too because I used to play these games. And one of the really good thing about this phone is that the music player. So if you go here, and as you can see, the music player looks very good. Recently, as I said, Nokia has released one of this kind of phone, is Nokia 6300 4G device, but I don't really like the design because it was probably fully plastic. I haven't seen that, but I saw it is coming when I was looking for this device. So let me show you the sound quality of this device. This device got one of the best speaker around that time, and still these speakers are really good. So let me play a song, but I cannot play maybe very long. So as you can hear that the sound is actually really clear, and also the speakers are really good on this device. And most probably if it has like 3.5mm jack, I would have used this device as a music player, but I cannot use this device as a music player right now because it doesn't have 3.5mm jack. But as I said, it has a lot of to do with my childhood memories. So I'm keeping this device, and I don't really recommend anyone to buy this kind of device. But if you have any memories with this device, maybe you can connect this device, because this device is actually really good and built very well. That's why it is holding. It is like more than 15 years now, but this device is still holding very well. The buttons can be pressed normally, no issue. Even it connect to the network, local network, and working just fine. So but like Nokia S40 device has nothing really great, but a 60 device you can do a lot of things. Like most of the 60 device come with 3G network and Wi-Fi too, so this device actually works really great. But as it is S40 device, so nothing you can do, not much game you can play or install software in this device. But it is really good device to collect, because it has really cute build and also really good to hold. So that's it all about Nokia 6300, and I'm really great to show you this device. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.